Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is the click method in Selenium. Click method is one of the most commonly used actions in Selenium and is available on IWebElement and is used to simulate a mouse click. Click works when the element is present in the DOM, the element is visible, and the element is enabled. In real projects, we use click for login buttons, navigation links, submit actions, menu, and dashboard navigation. Here in the sample script, if you see, I'm opening the Cogmento login page here and I'm locating the login button and clicking on the click method. This is the click method. After login, I click on dashboard menu option, that is on the contacts option. This is how click is used before and after login in real projects. Let me run the sample code and we will see how it works. First, we are opening the login page, enter username, password, click on login button. After clicking on the login button, we see the home page. If you see contact is clicked, so we are in the contacts page. This is how click works in the Selenium automation. Let me recap. Click is used to perform mouse click actions on elements. Click always works only when the element is visible and enabled. In real projects, click is mostly used for buttons, links, and menu items. And if you want any suggestion, the best suggestion is if click is failing, always check visibility, whether the element is enabled, and its locator stability. If the locator is not stable, we need to work on the how the locator can be optimized.